Hey guys, it's US Storms and Sirens. Today we're getting some 30-mile-per-hour wind gusts in Frisco today. I just want to let y'all know that those Bradford pairs were going so crazy earlier. Oh my gosh. Now there's your loud swishing noise already. Let's go out to the street here. These winds are insane. Oh my gosh. Let's go over here. Wow. This is insane. I'm sorry about the beginning of the video, but wow, these gusts are insane. Wow. I'm sorry about that earlier, but anyways, oh my gosh, look at these winds. They said the maximum gust today was 30 miles per hour, and this is 30 miles per hour. Oh my gosh. It's also very hot out here. So, yeah. The winds are coming from the south. Wow. These gusts are pretty strong. These are almost like 40. I'm not joking. These are actually like 40 miles per hour. Like, I'm not joking. Wow. Those wind chimes are going. This is crazy. You know, this is... Oh my gosh, there goes the cypress. Yeah, my cypress has been loud today. It's been swishing very loudly. Like, it was swishing pretty loud like a few minutes ago. Like earlier today, about an hour ago, it was swishing so loud. I swear, if a limb falls off... Like, these gusts are kind of strong to knock off, like, little limbs. Like, that's how strong the wind is. Let's go over here. Man, these flies are crazy today. Let's see if I can look at that Bradford pear in the back. Yep, there it is. This kind of feels like that 60-mile-per-hour wind event. You guys know that from, I forget what the date was called. May 17th, I think. Yeah, it kind of feels like that. I'm not kidding. Man. Yeah, my Yopon Holly's been crazy today. I can literally hear those live oaks swishing. That's how crazy the wind is. These are some crazy winds. Sorry about the people in the background. Here's the side of the house with the Yopon Holly. Yeah, not much is happening right now, just strong gusts. Let's go over here. I'm gonna go to this side of the house so I can show you these winds. Hey, for all you air conditioner fans out there, it's an Amana for all air conditioner people out there. Yeah, my Yopon Holly's my Yopon Holly tree was blowing so much I thought it was gonna fall over. Like, I'm not joking. That it almost did today. That's how strong these gusts are. Whoa! Did you guys see that? A hanger just fell out of that oak tree. Did you see that? Oh my gosh. I just saw a little dead hanger fall out of an oak tree. Goodness gracious. Yeah, lots of hangers that are in trees are getting knocked over because of these winds. Oh my gosh, my camera's foggy. That's what happens when it's hot outside and you try to record, your camera gets fogged up. Wow. There's a dead limb. There's a dead limb right there. I don't think that's dead, but it kind of has a leaf. It literally has one leaf on it. Wow. These winds are absolutely unstoppable. Let's go over to my oak tree real quick before I go to the back. The winds are going to be stronger in the back because there's a lot of houses and the wind gets trapped in those areas. All right, guys, I'm going to go to the backyard, so we'll see y'all in a moment. All right, we're here in the backyard. My dead tree was blowing today, so that's good, I guess. This mulberry was going pretty crazy today. If you haven't seen that video, go check it out. It was blowing so much. This is my little live oak that I planted, and it's not looking so well. It's like kind of dying. It's something called transplant shock. Sometimes when trees get transported, they get shocked. Dude, I can literally hear that Chinese elm swishing. I'm not joking, I can literally hear it. Even though it has the leaves on. You see how much that top is blowing? Gosh. I can literally hear it. It's like 2 houses down. and I can still hear it. Yeah, these winds are starting to they said the winds are going to get stronger as the day goes on. This is the hanger I put in my tree. Still no gusts yet, but we'll see what happens. Give it a few minutes. Let's see if I can show y'all that Chinese elm in its full form. Can you guys see? I don't know if y'all saw it, but that thing is massive. That is a massive Chinese elm. Like, even though I'm up in the tree, it's still kind of taller than me. Here comes the gust. Oh my goodness. I wish I could go to that Chinese elm, but it's on someone's property. Let me see if I can show it. You can't really see it from here, but it's there. Whoa! I don't know if that was someone slamming. Someone slammed their back door. Oh, look at that hanging. See, it just goes back into style and then it does that again. See? Look at it. Man. I hear twigs breaking on that mulberry. Can we see the front yard from here? Look, you can see the front yard. Dude, I can literally hear my bald cypress from here. Dude, that thing is loud. That thing is loud. My cypress is loud. You can barely see the Chinese elm from here. This is crazy, y'all. Like, these winds are kind of insane. And yes, there goes the wind again. I have over 1,000 videos. Just thought I'd point that out. If you're wondering what this thing is, that's my little swing frame. Yeah, the wind likes to get trapped in this little porch area. And every time it does, my dead tree blows. I can tell if it's blowing because I see these little pile move or the grass blow or the hanger blow. I'm gonna lift y'all up. See if y'all can see. Yeah, I don't know if y'all could see as much. It's kind of weird filming like that. Let's go under the mulberry. I can hear that Chinese again. Let's see if we can hear it swoosh, that Chinese from here. Let's see if we can hear it. I don't know if y'all be able to hear it, but it's still growing. Like, that tree's been there for a long time. It's massive and it's still growing. I bet these Chinese elms can get really massive. There used to be a red oak growing over there, but I took it out because those things just die. Those red oaks just get to a certain age and they just die out. Oh, you can see that tree down there. Yeah, Bradford pears can get pretty big. About, I don't know how tall. Oh, there goes the Chinese elm over there. Well, it's crazy out here. I forget what you call those things, locusts? Like, they only come out during the summer months. Like May, June, or July, or August. They come out in June, July, and August. And May. My favorite month has to be May, June, and July. Because it's the middle of summer. Yeah, you can hear them. That live oak came from Louisiana. Wow. I know the winds don't look strong right now, but they will pick up. Trust me. Well, guys, I think that's going to do it for today's video. First of all, let's see if we can get one more gust. One more strong gust. Look at my tree. Yeah, you can see it blowing. Sorry, my dad let the dog out. Hey, Harriet. Hopefully we can get some more severe storms, because I would love to film them. Run for your life, bird. Oh, there goes that oak tree over there. All right, well, I appreciate y'all for watching. Like and subscribe. See y'all later.